Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup in microwave oven-only ways. Start by selecting a microwave-safe bowl with a vented lid and chop vegetables into uniform pieces for even cooking. Add broth, seasonings, and ingredients in the order they need to soften, with denser items first. Cook on medium power, pausing to stir every 2 to 3 minutes, and adjust seasoning at the end for the best flavor. Measure ingredients and assemble them in a single layer, if possible, to improve heat distribution and reduce cooking time. Add just enough liquid to cover the ingredients, remembering that some ingredients release water as they cook. Microwave on medium power in short bursts and stir to redistribute heat, checking texture after each interval. Finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of acid to brighten the flavor before serving directly from the bowl. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing microwave soups and preventing messy spills when you transport lunches. They seal tightly, stack well, and speed up meal prep so you can portion leftovers without worry. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Always use microwave-safe cookware and avoid metal or tightly sealed containers to keep cooking safe. Pause cooking a couple of times to stir and release steam away from your face when lifting the lid. Allow the soup to rest off heat for a minute to let flavors meld and to reduce the risk of burns. Finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning with salt, lemon, or herbs to lift the overall flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.